Hi, it's Gina Ross from Natural Yarns. I am so excited because we have just released our June 2022 subscription box, and our theme for this box is winter. I'm going to quickly run you through all the wonderful things in our box. So when you open it, it will look like that. There are a number of projects in our June subscription box which I'd like to share with you. So the first one is the feather stitch hat, which I'm currently wearing. What we've done is dyed some beautiful chunky yarn. It's our Lilo Lofty yarn. It's very, very smooshy. It's a special colorway for the box, and you get a matching feather pom-pom, which is a product that's been newly launched at Natural Yarns. Very excited about. So pattern, yarn, pom-pom, awesome. Our lovely friend Kerry from Yellow Cottage Yarns has dyed this special color for us in her plush cotton, which is a chunky cotton yarn. And the project that we have for you on that one is the Hot Chocolate Mandala, which was designed by Liesl Kleu, which looks like that. So this is a mandala that you can put onto your table to put your pot on when you have made your beautiful soup. And the soup that we recommend that you make for your pot to go onto the mandala is our chickpea and butternut soup. And I've also included a little trick that I learned in my air fryer, or you can do them in the oven, which is beautiful croutons. So that recipe is on there for you. We have our gardening project for this season, which is our winter season. And so again, our flower cards, and the lovely people at the Flower Cartel have sent a beautiful little package with the seeds that we ordered for your box. And the seeds that we've done for you this time are snapdragons, because they're one of the only flowers that will bloom at this time of year, particularly in Cape Town. So that's really cool. The other project that we have for you is a macrame project, and it is to make a feather, because obviously our theme is feathers for our winter box. And in there it is a twine for your macrame project, and we have the little goodies to attach to the top of your feather, as well as a little dyeing project. So there's some dye and some dye fixatives so that you can ombre your feather if you would like to do that. That is our macrame feather project. Now we also have a whole lot of beautiful little treats. So our little treat here is Nomu Hot Chocolate, and we ordered handmade marshmallows from Meshuggah. So you'll get a handmade marshmallow to have with your hot chocolate. The lovely people at Heart to Create have done beautiful stickers for us once again, so around our theme of winter and our color scheme. And they have made beautiful shawl pins also in our feather theme. So you will get a resin feather shawl pin, and they really, really kindly popped in a little pair of earrings along the same colors as well. So that's a real treat from Heart to Create. So we also have washi tape, which is to our winter theme, with lots of warm socks and yarny goodies. Our next box is going to be our spring themed box, and we have a lot of beautiful, wonderful, exciting things planned for that box. So get your subscriptions in so that you don't miss out. And if you missed out on the winter box, we may have a few extras that will be released in due course so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for subscribing.